In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Epic Games on Windows 11 quickly and easily. If you've been trying to get the Epic Games launcher installed on your PC so you can play games, manage your library, or access free game downloads, this guide will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 and gaming tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your web browser on Windows 11. You can use Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Once the browser is open, go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're on the correct site so you can download the launcher safely. When the Epic Games website loads, look for the download button in the top right corner of the page. Click that button to begin the download process. In most cases, this will take you to the page where you can get the Epic Games launcher for Windows. Now, the download should start automatically, or you may need to confirm the download depending on your browser. If a download prompt appears, click the option to save the file. Your browser will then download the Epic Games installer to your computer. Once the file finishes downloading, the next step is to find it in your Downloads folder. You can do this by opening File Explorer and clicking on Downloads from the left-hand side. If you don't see it right away, look for the most recent file that was downloaded. It will usually be the Epic Games Setup file. After you find the downloaded file, you're ready to continue with installation. You can double-click the installer to launch it and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes so the installer can run properly. From there, just keep following the installation prompts until the Epic Games launcher is fully installed on your Windows 11 PC. Once it's done, you'll be able to open Epic Games, sign in, and start browsing games right away. So to quickly recap, go to the Epic Games website, click Download in the top right, find the downloaded file in your Downloads folder, and then you're done. It's a simple process, but following it carefully, make sure you get the official launcher installed without any issues. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.